Hello everyone, back with an IRS tax refund update. As we continue to monitor the latest developments this tax season, we do have the latest release date for the next batch of tax refunds scheduled to go out. So we'll take a look at that. And while many of you continue to wait for your refunds to be processed, the IRS announced their plan to clear the backlog of more than 20 million unprocessed tax forms and requests. But the question remains, is the plan too little, too late? Now, the latest developing news this tax season is the next batch of tax refunds is scheduled to be transmitted to banks nationwide on Wednesday, March 16th. Included in this batch are refunds for tax returns that were submitted as far back as January 24th. So we continue to see significant movement of refunds finally going out for those early filers and those waiting over 21 days. One thing to keep in mind, based on what we saw with the last several batches of tax refunds, is a small percentage of taxpayers reported that their refund status results were not updated on the IRS website before they in fact received that refund. Another way to confirm is by checking your IRS transcript online, locating code 846 and the corresponding date that follows, as well as your bank accounts the morning of March 16th. Now, many taxpayers continue to report seeing this message when checking the status of their tax refunds, informing them of tax processing delays. While a majority of tax returns will be processed within the first 21 days of being accepted by the IRS, we're seeing a growing backlog of returns. For those seeing tax topic code 152, like seen here, that does not indicate a problem with your return. However, tax topic code 151 does indicate a potential problem. The delays many are experiencing stem from a variety of issues, including those early filers claiming EITC or CTC who cannot have their returns processed and refunds issued till at least February 15th. Taxpayers who entered wrong advanced child tax credit payment amounts on their returns that now have to be adjusted, and tax returns with W-2 wage amounts that are not reconciling with what the IRS has on file. It is now reported the IRS has a backlog of over 20 million items, most of which are unprocessed tax returns from this year and previous tax years. Recognizing the backlog, the IRS has announced a plan to hire 5,000 additional workers in the coming months. But the question remains, is this too little too late, and something that should have been done back in December? Realistically, many new IRS hires this month will not be ready to go before the tax filing deadline of April 18th passes, and there's no plan to extend the filing deadline this year, so this plan will not be of significant help, at least this tax year, for many who are continuing to wait. However, we do know a 700-person team at the IRS is in the middle of being shifted to handle the processing of tax returns, which will help tackle several million returns a month. For those continuing to check transcripts and refund status results on the IRS website, do note those are updated once a day during the week between the hours of midnight and 6 a.m., and there will be no updates after 6 a.m. till the following morning. Let us know in the comment section below what problem you're currently experiencing this tax season. We are reading all of your posts, and it does absolutely help us gauge where things currently stand. So thank you to all as we try to navigate this tax season. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.